Alrighty, so I got the board all glued. I got clamped down. If you don't own clip clamps, get them. They're awesome. They're handy. They're great. I'll put a link in the description of what they are. Um, so a planer basically is just a spinning blade. See it spinning there, and as you run it along this surface, it's gonna even everything out, even all the bumps out. Because even when you glue these, you can just see they're not flat, they're not level. So we could set the planer. I'm gonna try and see. I just ran it up on the board. You can see it's, I don't know, 16th, 18th of an inch. So yeah, we're just gonna run this thing along here and try and flatten her out a little bit. I don't know if I can do this while I'm talking to you, but let's try. There we go. Now you can see, smooth, nice even joint. Yeah. So I took off a bunch because I'm trying to, get all these flattened together. But yeah. So I'm going to work on this. The other thing I'm going to have to do is trim up these edges, but I'm going to do that after I plane it. We'll put a square on there and just align and cut it. And then we'll get to staining and then burning a laser image on it and then sealing it all up and sanding it. So, yeah, thanks for coming by, guys. We'll get back to this. Got her all belt sanded. It's nice and smooth like a baby's butt. I've got my line drawn in, as you can see that. So we're going to use the worm drive, trim off our edges, and then get ready to route it, because obviously you don't want to route it with wonky edges like that. So we're going to cut that off, and we'll show you routing these edges and rolling the edges over.